Do you need a simple idea tonight for dinner? Something that is very simple, easy to serve, and to make. Let's make some beef nachos. Just keep breaking up the hamburger as it's cooking and stirring as needed. Bring the uncooked to the bottom and the cooked to the top. Make sure that the beef hamburger is fully cooked and there is no pink spots throughout the mixture of the beef hamburger meat. You'll want to have a strainer and a pan ready to capture all the grease that we're going to be draining off the beef hamburger meat. And we're just going to go ahead and pour our hamburger meat in the strainer pan. Make sure that all the grease is off. And on to adding the seasoning. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is add about a half a cup of water. This is totally optional. And also taco seasoning. And we're going to get that all mixed up and ready to serve. And now that the seasoning has been cooked in the beef hamburger meat, we're going to go ahead and top the nacho chips with our meat. So you can go ahead and add some cheese down along with the onions as well as some diced tomato, and I like to top mine with a little bit extra cheese. Nachos would not be complete without a dollop of queso sauce cheese. Well, I hope that you like that dinner idea. It is very simple, very delicious, and I hope that you enjoy eating your simple beef hamburger nachos.